This tutorial is all about Creme of Nature, and guess what? Creme of Nature has a new look. So if you want to see how I achieve bouncy full curls, stay tuned. On freshly cleansed hair, I'll be taking the Argan Buttermilk leave-in hair milk. The consistency is very thick and creamy, and I'll be using this as a heat protectant as well as a moisturizer. This is going to control the frizz as well as add shine. After applying the Argan Buttermilk leave-in hair milk, I am going to detangle my hair and prepare my hair for blow drying. I'm going to use the tension method, which means I'm going to hold the ends of my hair while running the blow dryer up and down the strands of my hair. This is going to give me a light blow dry and not a super straight look. After blow drying my hair, I will be taking the Pudding Perfection Curl Enhancing Cream. Taking a dime size amount, I'll be applying this from roots to ends. I will roll my hair halfway, and then I will take the rod and I will coil it around my hair until I reach the roots of my hair to secure. Here is a closer look. After I have completely rotted my hair, I'm going to sit underneath my hooded dryer for about an hour. You can sleep with the rosin overnight, it's up to you. Alright, it's time for the takedown. I'm going to start at the nape of my hair and I'm going to work my way up to the front, gently removing my rods. Now it's time to separate. I'll be using the 100% pure Argan Oil, and this is going to reduce frizz and also add shine to my curls. After gently separating my curls, my hair looks like this. I'm going to take my pick and I'm going to add a little bit of extra oomph. So I'm going to start at the roots and I'm going to gently pull up, not disturbing my curls. After gently fluffing my hair looks like this. Soft and bouncy. My hair has a nice amount of shine and also it is soft and movable. Thanks so much, Creme of Nature. Curl friends, you can get your hands on the curling enhancing products at Sally Beauty stores and sallybeauty.com, as well as select drugstores and beauty supply stores.